Well, thanks so much for tuning in. Today was a big day for the students and staff at Soaring Heights Elementary in Joplin. A new school garden was installed through the help of volunteers. KOAM's Bronte Sorotsky spoke with them to see how the garden will benefit students.
Students at Soaring Heights Elementary are about to get a more hands-on education experience. The school is welcoming a new addition to their campus and just installed a new garden.
This is an opportunity for kids to have some hands-on learning with the sciences.
The newly installed garden will teach students at the school where their food comes from, while also getting them interested in healthy eating.
We wanted to bring healthy food opportunities to elementary school kids in Joplin.
At today's event, the Joplin School Garden Cooperative, along with volunteers, built the raised beds that will eventually be filled with seeds and plants.
The principal at Soaring Heights has a tray of heirloom cherry tomatoes in her office right now. I brought seeds. The kids planted the seeds, and I grow them in my greenhouse and bring them back when they're ready to plant.
Those tomatoes will then be planted in the beds, teaching the students where produce comes from.
They can see that this tomato that they eat came from a seed.
For teachers at the school, it gives an opportunity to not only teach their students about healthy living, but also about new life skills.
We teach a lot throughout the day, like I said, taking turns, being able to use kind words and actions to ask for something. So, will you please pass the shovel?
This project could not have been done without the community's help.
We have a team of Youth Volunteer Corps Joplin that came to volunteer to help build these beds. So it's really a community effort.
For TERESA Adams, the best part about the garden is that having an opportunity for students to learn hands-on will help them really retain this information.
What we know in education is that if you can get kids hands-on and digging into something, they're more likely to retain that information.
Although it will take a while for the plants to grow, the opportunity for increased learning is worth it. In Joplin, Bronte Sorotsky, KOAM News.